rev up your engines. Today I'm going to show you how to keep your cars from being stolen using what's inside this box. And surprise, it's a light bulb. But it's not just any LED light bulb. It has a 360-degree camera inside, LED bulb, a microphone, and a speaker, and a memory card. And it uses this cool 360's Eyes app. You can do a wire or wireless mode, but of course most people are going to want to do the wireless mode so they can use their phone wirelessly. The devices talk to each other to set themselves up wirelessly. It's ready now, ding-donged. And as you can see now, the camera's online, so we'll turn it on. And here we are. Wave at the camera. You can use the device to turn the light on. Just push the light, and you can make it dim or bright. And if you put a micro SD inside it, it will do endless loop video recordings for security. And of course you can take single frame pictures if you want. And perhaps the coolest feature is, it's got a microphone and a speaker so you can hear what's going on, and you can talk back by pushing the talk button.
What button? You talking to me?
Now being a light bulb, you just need a light socket to put it in. And since it's got a 360-degree camera built inside, it's going to see all around. Of course, it worked great in the daytime, but check out this nighttime use. Now, here's the camera at night. You can see it just looks like a regular light on your garage, but here's the night vision picture. You can see somebody's messing with your car. You can hear them because it's got a microphone on it, and you can see them. And best of all, you can talk to them. And they'll hear this when you talk into your phone.
Hey, you! What are you doing by my car? Get away from it. I'm coming after you.
No! Look inside. It's cool. It's got the camera, the LEDs, the receivers, the speaker and microphone, all built into a light bulb. So to unsuspecting thieves, this just looks like a light bulb. You can stick it on your porch too if you want to save your house. But I'd have to change my configuration. We got so many mosquitoes and bugs in Houston. I got a bug catcher in mine. I'd have to take that off and then screw this bulb in instead. But in my case, it'd be a cool backup. I already have a security system here. But people could see that. They might spray paint it or break it off. Who's going to suspect that the light bulb is actually the thing that's watching them and talking to them? And since the bulb runs off the 110 volts in your house, hey, you never have to put any batteries in it. It's nothing worse than the device doesn't work because the batteries are dead. This doesn't use batteries. And since it's using your cell phone and your own wireless, you don't have any monthly fees like a lot of those other services do. I tried out other ones and they work perfectly fine, but some of them charge $20, $30 a month for monitoring it. This doesn't cost you anything as long as you have wireless at your house. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm giving away one of these light bulb security cameras. To have a chance to win, just place a clean, non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below, and a winner will be chosen randomly by computer to get light bulb security for their house and car. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.